In this video, I will explain you Net Profit and Restaurants settings module. This is settings module. Here in setting module, you can make settings related to restaurant application. You can also make settings like receipt settings, barcode settings, and other related settings. These are the few setting options we have got in our restaurant application. I will explain you all these options one by one. First is general settings. In general settings, you will get all the settings related to general. Like you will get the restaurant name. Here you can enter the restaurant name, restaurant address. Okay, business type also you can select for what business type you have taken this application. You can select that business type, and in state you can select the state also from which state you belongs to. In about you can write about your business type. If you have any GST number, you can select, you can write the GST number. If you have PAN, you can give the PAN number also here. Okay. In server location name, you can give the server location name. You can give here your restaurant or business type website. Okay. In owner email ID, you can give here email ID. You can give the password, phone number you can enter. If you have any fax, you can enter the fax also of your business type. If you have any bank name, you can write bank name, bank branch location, IFSC code, and account number also. And in additional bank details, if you have any additional bank details, you should enter, you can enter it here. Written policy. If you have any written policy about your business type, you can give it here. Okay. This written policy will be shown on your receipt. Maximum item displayed per page. In this application, how much items should be displayed per page, you can select that. Okay, if you want to display only 10 items per page, you can display that, or else you can display as much as you can. Okay, in the default sale discount, what is the default sale discount you want to keep while sale, you can keep it here. Starting invoice number, what the starting invoice number should be, you can give it here. Digits after decimal point, after how many digits the decimal point should be occur, you can select and you can give it here. Round off method, if you want to make round off method, you can make here. Upward, downward, round, none, you can select any one of it. Digits after decimal point for quantity. For quantity, after how many digits the decimal point should occur for the quantity, you can give it here. In default payment term, here you can give that by making a quick pay by default from where it should take the payment. You can select that. I have kept it as cash. Okay. If you want to create new payment method, you can click on new and you can give here new payment term. Default unit also you can give. What type of item you are selling much, you can give it as per your item. Like you will get here numbers, kgs, gram, packet, liter, and milliliter also. You can select it and you can give that. Get report by date. If you want to get report by date, you can select that also. Okay, you can get the report by date or time also. You can select by which you want to get the report. Barcode match type. Here you will get the barcode match type. Font resize after length of item name. Here you can keep the resize, font resize, okay, length of the item name. Here you will get the tally import path. If you want to download any tally, you can give that path over here. Minimum duration of reservation for the restaurant. Okay, this is the restaurant I have using, this application I am using for restaurant. I will give here minimum duration of reservation for the table. Okay, this is the restaurant application I am using this for restaurant. What is the table duration for the reservation of the person, you can select that. And reset token on time, reset token number time. Here you can reset the time also. Enable SMS. If you click this enable SMS, you will get the SMS after every payment. Like after sale, the message will be gone to the customer. To customer, it will be gone. Always ask, it will be asking that SMS should be sent or not. After e-invoice, the message will be sent. Okay. You have to, if you want to send the message to the purchase after purchase, you can select this and you can send the message after purchase also. Enable email. If you want to send email, if you enable this, here you will get the email options. After when and what time the email should be sent to the customer or the owner. After sale, the it will be sent. Okay, to owner it will be sent, to customer it will be sent. Okay, enable send feedback. If you want to receive feedback from the customer, you can enable it and you can use that also. Current receipt configuration. Here you can select the receipt configuration. Reset receipt sequence and create new configuration. If you want to create new configuration, you can select that and you can make over here. Like sale prefix, sales return prefix, description also you can give it here. Next is distributor. If you enable distributor, you will get the distributor email ID by which you can use the email ID to send any reports to the distributor. Manufacturer, you will get easy mode. If you click on easy mode, it will not show you any pop-up. By default, the payment will be done by cash. It will not give the advance payment option. Okay. After send to kitchen, move to table view. If you enable this, after items added to the cart and when you send to the kitchen, it will directly take you to the table view. If you enable this, show print bill option in restaurant. If you enable this, print bill option will be shown on the restaurant. If you enable this, allow employee reference, you will get the reference advice on the restaurant where you can choose the employee who is attending the restaurant on the table for the customer. Okay, here you can make enable and disable and you can use these options here. If you enable this alien who number while creating any customer or item, you can see this alien who number on that option. Okay, like this, if you want to enable hypermarket for Swiggy and Zomato integration, you can enable this and you can use the Swiggy and Zomato hypermarket integration. This is how you can see the general settings about the restaurant. And once you make the changes, when you click on submit, the changes will be saved.